In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can normalize your audio in DaVinci Resolve. And normalizing audio is balancing uneven volume levels across your clips. So you can apply this normalization inside of the Edit page or the Fairlight page. Either way, you select all the clips you want to normalize, and then you right-click and choose Normalize Audio Levels. Now in this new window, the Normalize Audio Level window, you can see a normalization mode. You can choose whatever fits your project best. If you choose True Peak, then you will set a target level probably about -2 or -5 dBTP. But if you click here and you scroll down, you can see there's also a YouTube option. So if you're making YouTube videos, you can choose this one and it will set the levels to the correct or the best option for YouTube videos. Now you can also choose relative or independent. When you normalize multiple audio clips, when choosing the relative setting, this will select all the clips together as a group and adjust the volume accordingly. But if you choose independent, which is really the best for this case, then it will evaluate and adjust the volume of each clip separately. And as you can see here, this clip is really silent, this clip is loud, and this clip is more normal. But if you have chosen all this and you choose Normalize, now DaVinci Resolve has adjusted all the clips one by one because you chose independent to have the right volume for your project. And that's how you can easily normalize your audio in DaVinci Resolve. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.